What's up, everybody? Getting ready to go crabbing tomorrow. Just want to introduce you to something I've created. Never done this before, but I'm trying it to see if it works. You've heard of Tide Pod? I'm making death pods, okay? So this is a death pod right here. It's little snack size Ziplocs. I've ground up a bunch of meats and different things in there. Some fish. Death pods. We're gonna catch crab tomorrow. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's crabbing trip. Probably take a day or two after to maybe next day to get the video up of the crabbing, see how we do. Maybe we'll get some jumbo crabs. Check this out. I'm gonna use this KitchenAid attachment. I've got this from Pot Skis. It's crab and shrimp fuel. I'm gonna mix that in with the slurry. I'm gonna use, just kind of grind up some old baits that have been opened. Some fish. Got this one, it's got some salmon and some tuna belly. And then I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but here I've got just kind of some old freezer burnt meats. It's pork chops. So you wanna watch, check this out. I'm gonna do it real quick. There we go. Got that. Okay, so I'm cutting up a bunch of just really old pork chops. These things probably been in the freezer for way too long. I'm gonna add this crab and shrimp fuel and start it up. Try it out here. Ooh, I like it. Be careful if you guys are doing this at home that you're not going to get your fingers caught down there. It's a real easy way of having less digits. Look at that. I'm going to do that and it's going to mix with that. It's going to be so good. I might even have to try it. I think I'm about done with grinding everything up. Looks like it's done. Okay, so I'm thinking that if I don't do it, I'm gonna regret it. I've got a bunch of tuna belly here. I'm gonna probably go ahead and just use that as well, just to add to the flavor of the whole thing. Look at how fatty, that's so fatty. Gonna be really good. I think it's getting bound up a little bit because probably the tuna skin's not getting ground into it, so I'm gonna have to cut it off. Alright, so now I'm just kind of mixing all this in. It kind of reminds me of how when I do the deer, I always usually mix it with some real fatty ground beef. And by the time you mix it in there with that deer meat, it just makes for a really good mix here. All right, we're gonna mix this into it here if I can. Looks like I need to pop this lid here. Ooh-wee. I don't know how much I'm gonna need. I want it to get in there and really soak in, you know? That's working. Look at that. This is gonna be, those crabs, it's gonna be to die for. They'll get it because they don't even care. Oh, I like it. This is just as much fun as crabbing in my opinion. Well, catching the crabs and then eating them is better probably. Definitely fun. Getting ready to go is kind of the fun of it too, is not just going, but God, look at that stuff. Wish I could, if I had a way to do it, it'd be fun to make like ice cubes out of this. So I don't know if anybody's got any like a knowledge of where I can find like large ice cube trays. Might as well just put the whole thing in there, I guess. I don't know. Wouldn't hurt it. It'll absorb it all. Let's just do it. We'll do the whole thing. This is gonna be crazy. If this doesn't work, I'm going to be livid because I'm putting my time and effort into making this really work. Tell me in the comments if you like what I'm doing. Maybe you guys think this is disgusting. Kind of is, actually. I wouldn't blame you if you said that. But I'm trying to do really well with my channel. Everybody's getting on there and a lot of likes, a lot of comments. I need more people to share my content, so if you don't mind putting me out there once in a while, like if you see a video you like, I know you're not going to share everything, but maybe find one video out of all my stuff that you like, and I'd appreciate a share. It'll just help me get more viewers, more subscribers, and that kind of thing. Oh my gosh, that looks like freaking, dude, that's crabby. So my thought was, I have these little cups coming in the mail, should be coming today. But I was thinking I could just fill these little Ziplocs full of them and zip them up and freeze them. And then I've got kind of like a sack, like a little baggy version of a Ziploc. I think that would work. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I might try that, but thanks for watching so far. So if you guys can't tell yet what I'm doing, I've got these little Ziploc bags, are like a little snack size for something you take like trail mix in. So I'm just making these. I'm going to freeze these. So it's a good easy shape. It's a very usable shape for crab traps. You just drop one of those in with some of the bait, add some really good extra scent. Just going to show you how easy this is. Just have a little scooper here. Just take about that much. It's kind of a soup spoon thingy. And just get it in there like that. And it falls right in. And I just drop it down here and it kind of shapes it nice for the shape of this baggie. Put a zip on it. Smash it like that. I already got 8 of them. Here's 9 of them. I'm going to make all these up so that they're ready to go. So that way I could do one, maybe each pole I throw another one in just to keep the good scent. It's been a while since I've been able to be selective on how many of the big ones I take versus the little guys. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you smack that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content and the videos. I'm having a great time making them, making a big mess. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bam.